Welcome again students, and in this video we will discuss worksheet number 2 for class 9th scheduled for 15 July 2020, and in this video we will discuss this worksheet in English medium. What are solution? आपने इससे पहले फर्स्ट वीडियो में हमने हेट्रोजीनस होमोजीनस मिक्सचर के बारे में पढ़ा था, एंड इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द सॉल्यूशन. जिज्ञासा दीदी, व्हाट आर सॉल्यूशंस? क्या होते हैं सॉल्यूशंस? ज्ञान रो, अ होमोजीनस मिक्सचर ऑफ टू और मोर सब्सटेंस इज कॉल्ड सॉल्यूशन. You all know students that in case of solutions that the mixture is homogeneous. लास्ट वीडियो में जो आपने पढ़ा कि एक होमोजीनस मिक्सचर बनता है लाइक वाटर विद शुगर, इट्स अ होमोजीनस मिक्सचर एंड दिस होमोजीनस मिक्सचर इज नोन एज सॉल्यूशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल शुगर सॉल्यूशन, टिंक्चर आयोडीन, एरिटेड ड्रिंक्स जो कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स होती हैं, एंड ब्रास. ओके, there are two part of solution. How many part? Solution have two part, that is solute and solvent. Okay, means you can categorize the solution into two component. One is solute and one is solvent. Now here in water you add sugar. So what is sugar? Sugar is solute because sugar is present in less quantity as comparison of water. So sugar is solute and water is solvent. Okay, water is solvent. So the component which will present in large quantity, that will be the solvent, and in less quantity that will be the solute. So solvent is a part of solution in which the solute is dissolved and its quantity is more than that of solute. For example, to make an ORS solution, small amount of sugar and salt are dissolved in the water. In this solution, the amount of water is more, it is a solvent, and salt, sugar, they are less in amount, so they are solute. Generally, solutions are considered as a liquid substance in which solid, liquid or gas are dissolved. Means, what is a solution which we consider generally? That is a liquid substance. एक liquid substance है और उसके अंदर कोई भी solid dissolve कर दिया गया है, या कोई liquid dissolve है, या कोई gas जो है वो dissolve है. But in nature, beside liquid solution, there exists solid solution and gas solution. Solid solution कैसे? Like alloys, like two or more metals. ठीक है, उनको हम मिला के जब हम क्या बनाते हैं, alloys फॉर्म करते हैं. Like steel. अब स्टील है, स्टील में क्या क्या है? एक तरह से आयरन है, कार्बन है. ठीक, सो यहाँ पर क्या है कि आयरन भी यहाँ पर सॉलिड है, कार्बन इज ऑल्सो सॉलिड, सो इट विल बी अ solid solution. And if we take example of gas solution, in case of air, in air 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and other gases also present in air, and all these components, these are in gaseous form. And here this nitrogen is present in large quantity, so it will be act as a solvent, and other gases that will be solute. Okay, so air will be a gas solution. Now let's move to the properties of solution. Solutions are homogeneous, they are stable in nature. What is the meaning of stable? What is stability? Stability क्या है? That if you take water with soil, then what happen? After some time, soil, water you can easily decanted it, and सॉइल जो है वो यहाँ पर बॉटम में क्या हो जाएगी, इकट्ठी हो जाएगी. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज अनस्टेबल. ओके, क्या है ये? अनस्टेबल. बट अगर आप शुगर एंड वाटर का मिक्सचर लेते हो, ठीक है, शुगर एंड वाटर, तो क्या कुछ टाइम बाद वाटर में शुगर जो है वो बॉटम में बैठ जाएगी? बिल्कुल नहीं, ठीक है, वो सेटल डाउन नहीं होगी. इट मीन्स दैट सॉल्यूशन इज स्टेबल इन नेचर. The size of the particle of the solution is so small that they cannot be seen through naked eye. So size जो होता है वो इनका 1 नैनोमीटर से स्मॉल होता है. ओके, कॉलॉइड का साइज 1 नैनोमीटर से 1000 नैनोमीटर होता है एंड जो सस्पेंशन होते हैं उनका होता है ग्रेटर देन 1000 नैनोमीटर. एंड सो दे आर वेरी वेरी स्मॉल. Due to very small size, they don't scatter a beam of light passing through the solution and thus unable to see the path of light. Actually, the size of the solution, and that is very small, less than 1 nanometer, so they cannot scatter the beam of light. Like they don't show any Tyndall effect. आपको टिंडल इफेक्ट वैसे नॉर्मली भी आपने देखा है, अगर एक डार्क रूम में कहीं से जो है हल्की सी लाइट कहीं होल से आ रही है तो आपको जो पाथ है वो कंप्लीट पाथ विजिबल हो जाएगा. एंड डस्ट पार्टिकल्स दे मूव अराउंड हियर एंड देयर. ओके, एंड सो द पाथ विजिबल इज ड्यू टू द टिंडल इफेक्ट बिकॉज dust particle here act as colloidal particles which scatter the beam of light. But in case of solution, the particle size is not too big to scatter the beam of light. So they are very small in size. Next, the solute particles cannot be separated from the solution. Okay, solute जो particles हैं उनको हम solution से separate नहीं कर सकते by simple methods like simple filtration. Okay, by simple filtration method. So, because they are very small, आप शुगर को केवल फिल्ट्रेशन मेथड से वाटर से सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते. Do the questions. Now answer the following questions. What are solutions? State with example. So students, you already know now what are solutions. Solutions are the homogeneous mixture. Okay, and with example like air, alloys हैं, steel like, okay, brass, and you can take any other example like sugar and water. These all are the example of solutions. Define solute and solvent. Solute and solvent, they are the part of the solutions, and solute which is present in less quantity and solvent will present in large quantity. Next, third is below given are some example of solutions. Identify solute, solvent from them. Also mention whether they are solid, liquid or gas. So first we will take example of air. Air, in case of air, nitrogen is 78%, oxygen 21% and other gases. So here in case of air, nitrogen act as a solvent and जो other gases हैं that will be the solute and this will be the gas. You can see this is a gas solution. Okay. Next, milk. In case of milk and water. Okay, milk and water. If you take example of only milk, then you will see that in case of milk, water is present. Water is solvent because water is present in large quantity, and here fat particles and protein. Okay, these are act as solute in case of milk. Next, if you take example milk and water, then you will see that milk act as a solvent and water will be solute. Okay, water will be act as solute. Next, Pepsi. In case of Pepsi, that is water. Okay, water is solvent, and in case of Pepsi, the aerated carbon dioxide is present. Okay, other components are present in case of Pepsi, so that will be act as solute. It is also a gas solution. Milk is also a liquid solution. Next example, humid air. What in case of humid air, water is present, so in air the water act as solute. Okay, in case of humid air, water is solute, but air that will be act as solvent. So it is a gas solution. In case of seawater, water is solvent and the salt is NaCl, that is act as a solute which is present in less quantity. Next, pollutants in air. In case of air, the air is solvent, but the suspended pollutants, like you can see here, dust particles, other gases, sulfur dioxide gas, these are the pollutants, so they are present in less quantity, so they act as solute. Next is write the properties of solution. ये easily answer given है आपका, so यहाँ से आप properties of solutions लिख सकते हो. What is a liquid solution? Explain with example. So what is liquid solution? Liquid solution क्या होंगे? Liquid solution are those in which you can say solid, liquid and gas form, they are submerged, they are dissolved in the liquid, that form a liquid solution. Like if you take example here, milk, milk is a type of liquid solution. Also Pepsi is also a liquid solution, sea water is also a liquid solution. So I hope आपको वर्कशीट क्लियर है. फिर भी अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हो. साथ में इसके डाउनलोड लिंक भी गिवन है, वहां से आप कंप्लीट वर्कशीट को डाउनलोड भी कर सकते हो. और आप कमेंट करके ये भी बता सकते हो कि आपको वीडियो कैसे लगी. एंड अगर अच्छी लगती है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें फॉर फर्दर नोटिफिकेशन. अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर करें. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.